Bruh, just woke up, man. It's another day, bro. Look, y'all gonna say something about this, but the only reason why I got this on, cause I left my do-rag at the crib and I ain't wanna step at the, I ain't wanna, you know what I'm saying, press my hand on the pillow. But look, bro, we about to go, I unlocked my voice too, man. But it's like, I've been sneezing, man. And then that mixed with the drink, mixed with everything, bro. My voice just gone. We finna get ready to go ATV ride, but look at this nigga here. Big Teddy Grizzly bat looking motherfucker. Out. Out. Out, look at him. A black Muslim.
Big ass grizzly bat. That nigga hibernating. We ever saw a grizzly bat? You ever saw a grizzly bat hibernating, nigga, on the couch, nigga? Fuck you mean, nigga? Some shit you ain't never seen, nigga. Last night was wild as a motherfucker. We can't get into it, but hey, man, shit go crazy. They go crazy.
we finna go goddamn, we finna get on the ATV, man. And in Jamaica, when I did the ATV in Jamaica, they were tripping. They said I couldn't bring my camera on. But hopefully they let me bring my camera this time so I can show y'all the trail ride, man. But I'm gonna hit y'all back. We on the 4-wheeler, bro. We finna get everybody down and go meet the show at the concierge service. They may eat Doritos for breakfast.
Damn right.
And then we gonna go ahead and get this day started, man. Yeah.
I'm gonna be far, so don't be behind me.
Man.
Extra good.
Hey, Mike, who getting the side by side?
I ride them, bro.
I want me a 4-wheeler. Hey, man, you gotta say it back, bro.
Try that bit.
You gotta say it back, bro. Hey.
Fight it.
Hey.
Fight it.
Hey, y'all come on.
Just grab on one of them up.
Hello, everybody here, please. Great. What? Like dance? Huh? Like dance? I'm gonna go. Yeah. Go together? Okay, guys. My name is Carlos. I will be your tour guide.
Yes, sir, Ski. What up? Go. Back. Big ass bull. It's 103 degrees with a 106 index, and this nigga got on the motherfucking.
Yeah, man.
I know you hot, bro. Nigga hard, gotta eat, cuz.
Where you from?
Georgia. Yeah.
Hey, my friend, don't forget, now welcome to the cave.
Okay.
The cave, 25 feet deep.
25 feet.
Yeah. You know how to swim or not jump?
I'm not jumping though. Hey, what's up, man?
Go. My name Junior.
Okay.
I have the one present for you.
I'll come check it out with you, okay? Alright.
This is the symbol of the cave.
Oh, this nigga got a iguana on their head. This man here tripping.
1, 2, 3, punta cara, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Now he got to pay for them photos. Damn, this is a cave for real.
I wish I could swim, boy.
I'm not getting in there.
You can swim? You can swim? I can't swim.
Hey, I'm not getting in no water.
Mama will jump in there right now.
It look relaxing though.
You can swim? 25.
Fuck that.
Ain't no.
They said 25 feet.
I can trip myself. I will jump in there. I'll be in the water. We can jump in.
Yeah, I did it. The last.
There go your answer right there.
Excuse me, please, guys. I'm not going to get very much.
Go ahead, bro.
Hey, bro. One moment. Is it my girl?
Go ahead, Tyler.
One, two, three.
So you said it's Dominican national drink?
Dominican national drink. Mama Juana.
Mama Juana.
Yeah.
So it's a wine?
Wine, rum, and red.
Oh, just like marijuana, but Mama Juana.
Mama Juana. No
Gotcha.
marijuana.
All right, come on, let's see this. Salute. Ooh,
Good.
that's good.
Yeah. That's the same bottle. This one.
Yeah.
The one bottle for a long time. When you finish, you make another again. You put it rum, honey.
Oh, it do that. It gets you. Yeah. How much, bro? How much?
Bro, everybody here for $50, $45.
Can't drive.
Boy, you a passenger princess, bitch. You a passenger princess. Passenger princess. Passenger. You hot, bitch.
Big little bag.
Passenger princess ass niggas. You passenger princess ass niggas. You like a got Ray, you like a chef on break. I had these hoes in Jamaica one time, bro. They got chicken and cheese in them. I forgot what they were called. Hey, Bob, man. Hey, what do you call, bro? I forgot. In Jamaica, it was a Jamaican chicken patty, but this ain't Jamaica. So I'm gonna just say a Dominican chicken patty, but this one got cheese in it. Buzzing though. Hey, bro. What's the name of these? What's it called? Edo. Edo? They call it Edo.
Banana buena.
Edo banana? Panada. Oh yeah, panada. Yeah. Pull your panada. Yeah. right, y'all about to go.
It's already recorded.
Oh, fuck you. Hey, Mike, you want to switch? Hell no. Mine ain't got stuck. We in this bit right.
Gang.
Mine ain't got stuck yet. Hey, I'm gonna tell you. Ain't got stuck yet. I just took my shoes off and fight. Go ahead. Come on. Made it to the beach, man. Beach.
Okay, close, please.
It's nice over there, bro.
Okay, everybody take a please, guys. Okay, this is welcome to Macau Beach. It's supposed to be in the ocean now, okay? If you pray your faith right here on the water, okay? So here's coffee. If you like one to drink here or one on either here, you take a water now, okay? I'm waiting for the gasoline for the ATVs, okay? You have 35 minutes here at the Macau Beach. 35 minutes? Yeah, if you're hungry, there's a boy here. We got a snapper over there. This bartender bar restaurant will be one on either here. I'm waiting for the cash money.
What the coconut water? Yeah, how much? 10. Oh, I ain't gonna try one.
Hey, I'm hungry too, goddamn.
Coconut water, straight out of coconut. Oh, that shit good. That shit good.
No salt, man. Let's make it away.
That shit good.
My name, nigga, I ain't gotta say it. Something like Mary Kay.